spine-tingling horror later tonight at 10:25 with The Cabin in the Woods, part of our Halloween Spookfest here on Channel 5. Are you brave enough? Next, after the 5 news headlines, Football League tonight with all the goals from 35 games.